guys, we are at Townplace Suites, Port Canaveral, right by the cruise terminals. We're going to give you a quick room tour. Before we jump into it, if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It always helps support our channel. As soon as you walk in, you are greeted by a galley kitchen with a stovetop, coffee pot, microwave, sink, and fridge and freezer combo. Our room does come with plates, cups, and other essentials that you would need for a quick stay. Then entering in here to the bedroom, you do have two queen-size beds, end tables throughout, and plenty of space. Do have a desk here to work, two chairs, a good sized TV, and then a little reading nook here in the corner with a little table as well. The bedside does have some plugs here and some charging ports as well. Looks like we got two USB and two standard plugs. And then moving from one end of the room to the other, you do have a generous closet. It does have lighting, tons of storage. You do have the ironing board and iron here with a mirror as well, and plenty of hangers. And then moving on from there, you have the bathroom here to the side. So let's head on in. So bathroom is pretty spacious as well. It does just have one vanity sink, but shower is a pretty good size. With some really modern touches to the hardware as well. And that is going to do it for this double queen bedroom. If you are looking to stay the night before a cruise out of Port Canaveral, I would definitely recommend coming to stay here. Really close proximity to the cruise terminals, and great location. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching and safe travels!